heading out, Del Mar is looking beautiful, as is the rest of the county. It is cooler out there compared to just yesterday. You can see the flags whipping around in the wind there, a little bit of a breeze coming on through. We're mostly in the 60s along our coast, 69 in downtown Carlsbad and in Oceanside. Also in Escondido, though, Chula Vista, 67 in Fallbrook, a few 70s out there, but overall 60s and 70s everywhere from the mountains and westward. And temperatures are trending down for most areas by about 1 to 9 degrees. Along our coastline, it's a little bit warmer than it was yesterday, but by no means warm. Temperatures are actually near to just below normal for early November. That's going to change as we head into the end of the week. The sea breeze is with us, though. That will be the trend through Thursday. It is election day. No excuse to not get out there and vote, at least weather-wise. We'll see some morning clouds and patchy fog each morning through Thursday, though don't expect to see too much fog tomorrow morning. Could be more of an issue on Thursday morning as those winds start to reverse, and we will start to see those marine layer clouds not spread as far inland. The coast and the valleys are near to just below normal. That trend lasts through tomorrow, and then on Thursday those winds switch and we're going to see temperatures warm up quite significantly. Unless you're in the mountains and the deserts, temperatures will actually be dropping there. So along the coast, 68 degrees for our high tomorrow. We'll start off with clouds, end up with sunshine. Highs near near 70 degrees straight through Thursday, and then mid to upper 70s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even into early next week. With the reversal of those winds turning offshore, that will clear out the clouds, bring us much sunnier, warmer, and drier conditions. And if you live in the foothills and the mountains, it will be occasionally breezy as well, in particularly on Friday. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s through Thursday inland, and then mid 80s on Friday. The mountains and deserts will actually see cooling temperatures as we head into the end of the week, which is typical when you talk about a Santa Ana event, even though this is mild and a localized Santa Ana event for us. Temperatures will be in the 80s in our deserts and 60s in the mountains.